What is that? Man, it's big. Oh my God. Fixing to go offshore in the kayak. It's pretty windy, stiff north wind. Strong cold front came through yesterday, so not really sure how the fishing's gonna react. But we'll just get out there, only one way to find out. Mother load. Oh my God. Look at the size of these baits. Holy crap. All right, got some. Yes, what do I got? Little bluefish. Why did you swallow that so good? A nice little blue. Yeah, got him. What do I got? Another blue. Well, wish I had a cooler for shark bait. Let's throw the gotcha, see what happens. There we go. Got something. Feels a little bigger. Maybe not, maybe just a blue. Yep, just a blue. But that's pretty fun. Oh, and it's gone. All right, so you can catch a few of these. Blue. Yep. Little blue fish. All right, stop it. I think it's blue. Can't feel. Gotcha. Man, there must be 1,000 bluefish down here. Yeah, feisty sucker. There was something big. About the same. All right, one more bluefish, and then we're gonna start trolling back. Oh, little one came up right there and swallowed it. Yeah, that's all right. That'll be good bait size for tomorrow if we go out to the reef tomorrow.
All right, I got something. What do I got? What do I got? Oh, it's big. It ain't little. Woo!
What do I got? Trying to take me out. I gotta. Man, what is this? God. Is this a stinking shark? Man, a couple hard runs. Alright, make sure this is ready. Oh my God. Oh, he's coming up to the top. Coming up to the top. Don't get my other line. Don't get my other line. What is that? Man, it's big. That isn't a shark. Oh, that's a big king. Oh, what am I gonna do with it? Oh my God, that's big. Oh my God, that's big. It's the biggest king I'd ever caught. Come on. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God, this thing's so big. Oh my God. All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Don't. Oh my God. No. No. No.
I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why I tried to net it. I should have just tried to tail grab it. It was just so big. I've caught 15-pounders before, but this was twice as big as the biggest king I'd ever caught. And I kind of panicked. I hope at least somebody will get some laughs out of this. So until next time, tight lines, everybody.